Welcome to the video, guys. VST here, NSP Tech. I joke you not, this is perhaps the biggest power bank I ever bought. Yeah, it's 24,000 mAh, guys, and it's very big, as you can see. But of course there is more to that. We're going to be unboxing this in the video, and I'm gonna try to see if this thing here matches the description from AliExpress. So what exactly is this beauty? Well, let me just show you guys. This is the UTRAI 4-in-1 2000 amperes, a jump start for your car with a 24,000 mAh of battery, but also rocking a 150 psi air compressor, and of course then having also a light. So this is really here on sale from AliExpress. I'm gonna be putting the link down below, and the reason that made me buy this thing is it really has almost like 1,000 positive reviews, guys. Almost like 5 ratings. See here, 88% 5 stars, and it does have more than 2,500 orders. It was also discounted to 118 euro. But what the heck is this, guys? I'm gonna show you guys. This is 4-in-1, all right? Do more with less money. Okay, this is the design, by the way, so I'm very eager to see if the thing I bought in the box looked remotely like this, but I will expect yes. It has a 2000 amperes jump starter. I drive a V8 car. My engine is a V8 engine, so if sometimes I get out of power, there are not really a lot of cars that can give me power, so I need something very powerful. With this thing here, you'll be able to also, you know, jump start your boat, your truck. It should be really quite enough. If we, by the way, go here and see 2000 amperes peak current, you can start your car 30 to 40 times, all right? And it supports up to 12 volts, 8-liter gas engines and 6.5 liters diesels, right? It's not only for your car, you can charge your bike, your boat, and yeah, it's just crazy, right? But the other things, it also does have 150 psi air compressor. Yeah, why not? I mean, why not? It's there. And then again, 24,000 mAh power bank, the biggest power bank I do own. And it does have also a LED flashlight, so why not? Easy startup even under low temperature, so you can apparently just use it almost everywhere, right? -20, startup to 10 seconds. Okay, it's very easy. We're gonna be testing really all of this, how it connects and etc. Now, of course, I cannot bring my car there or just bring this device to my car, but I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can. Preset tire pressure and stop automatically. And this is actually what I like about those devices, guys. Right here, see, don't guess battery and air pressure. Digital display let you know. Now probably why you click the video. 24,000 mAh. It's huge. It does have 18 watts fast USB charging. Yeah, it's really crazy, guys. You can charge up to 2 phones at the same time, and of course it does have a flashlight. It does look very cool, by the way, when you can see. It does also have a case. I mean, yeah, it should be kind of like the best product. But yeah, without any further ado, I'm gonna put the laptop there, and now it's time to see how much of this baby really looks like what we've seen on the screen. So yep. Here it is, the UTRAI 24,000 mAh 4-in-1 jump starter, air compressor, power supply, LED light. Yes, powerful, reliable, multifunctional. Inside we have the jump starter, the smart clamps, the DS cigarette lighter adapter, which is kind of cool, a USB to Type-C cable, the valve adapter, carrying case, and user manual. Jesus, this is the real thing, guys. Okay, let me just open this baby. This is the real thing, and yeah, as expected. Wow, okay. There's no joke, by the way. See here, guys. No joke here, guys. It does really come with a carrying case. Yeah, you know, it's the quality just by the looks and touch of it. It doesn't really feel that cheap, and it's not so cheap, by the way. All right, so let me just try to open this baby and see what we have inside. Okay. First thing we notice here, we should have all the cables. Okay, so this is the adapter for the cigarette light, so it can apparently also power some things like a vacuum cleaner, etc. This is the USB to USB-C cable, okay. And what is this here? Wow, okay, those are the valves, guys, in case you need to pump something. And these here are the clamps. You know what to do with this. Hook it up to your charger box and then hook those up to the car and get it started. This seems to be really like nice quality. This also seems to be like a very thick cable, which is actually quite nice. We do also have the user manual. All right, German, English, French. Seems to be quite legit, guys. And now we have the device itself. Now, okay, wow. See here, this is to protect it. I can tell you guys, it really looks like a high quality device. And wow, whew, okay. See how thick this is, guys, to just protect your device, you know, when you're carrying it around. This is really nice to know. So the device itself is not so big, by the way, which is actually good news for me. Ta-da! Here it is. It's really beautiful, guys, and it does really look like a very nice, not so cheap device. It's not cheap, by the way. Here, guys, we have the power on and off button. This is the on and off button for the compressor, right, to really pump up your tires. Here we have the LCD display for setting the bars. Here we have the LCD power display. Here we have the DC out, the 2 USB out ports, and also the USB-C in. Let me just try to open this. Jesus, okay. All right. And here we have the EC5 outputs. This is used, by the way, to connect this thing here, which go to your car. All right. So you just, you know, you have to follow, of course, there is logic. You do like this. Okay. Oops. Wow. See? This is how to connect this beauty to the charging puck. It has really 4 steps. Always connect the battery clamps to the jump starter, which is this device there. Always start with the red one, which is the positive terminal, then connect the black one, the negative, then turn on the vehicle ignition when the clamps indicate a green light. And this is the light you've seen when I connected this. Then remove the battery clamps and yeah, just forget about all your troubles. I mean, guys, I'm not joking with you. This is really some serious equipment there. This here is the air hose, and by the way, nothing really seems to be cheap, guys. All metal parts and etc. Of course, plastic parts as well. And yeah, see here like how fat the hose is, and it tucks in very nice and convenient here. So boom, you know, it's there, and yeah, if you don't know, you cannot tell. Like I told you guys, you can also use this cigarette lighting adapter and you can power, let's say, a vacuum cleaner from this thing or something else, right? Why not? This is very, very useful that it's also included into the whole set. In case you're wondering how you can charge this beauty, guys, you need to use here the USB-C port. I have now connected my UTRAI 4 box to my charger, and it's usually going to take something like 4 or 5 hours to get fully charged. And you're going to get this nice indicator here. Let me just show you a bit. So yeah, I mean, I'm really surprised from the build quality and etc. Let's hope we never need to use that one, guys. But in case we do, it's always good to have this in our cars. This has been the Ultra One device, guys, the unboxing. I really hope that this is been really useful to you guys so that you know what you're getting inside the box if you decide to buy something like this. And hopefully, you know, you never need to use it, but in case you need to use it, guys, it's good always to have something like this in your car. Right, with that said, VST over and bye.